Are you a custom home builder or contractor with customers dealing with fire or smoke damage? We're with Ask an Adjuster. Adjusters appointed through the state of California to help you and your customers, not the insurance companies. Over the last 2 decades, we've delivered nearly $2 billion to contractors like you to help fund the rebuilding of your customers' properties. When your customers have their own public adjuster, they average far more money with a lot less stress. We want to become a resource for you and your customers, and we have clients that need a good quality contractor like you. Like building a custom home, navigating a complex insurance claim should never be done alone. Please click the link below now to schedule a Zoom meeting and talk about how we can help fund your customers' projects and send you more business. Thank you and God bless you.